Okay, so after opening the box, these are our contents. We've got headboard, sideboards, the struts or the bottom of the bed that's gonna actually become the frame, all of our hardware, our pieces, our wheels, all of our fasteners, and an instruction booklet. These wire racks are what's going to become the bottom of your drawers. So let's get it built. Okay, and here is our finished product. As you can see, the headboard is made of this beautiful white fuzz, which actually goes all the way around it, giving it a great look. And what I really like is, if you can see, it doesn't actually sit on the floor so that the fuzz or the white material doesn't get dirty. And it comes with these two drawers, one right here and one right here, which you just slide out. And when you're building it, you can actually I did two drawers on this side because that's what works for my room. But you could do one drawer on this side, one drawer on the other side, or both drawers on the other side, depending on the configuration of your own room.